Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about what is the current trend for Tableau, what are the salary trends and all. So let us get started without wasting much time. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So guys, I was getting a lot of questions or comments from the users saying that we are not getting calls, like what is the current job market for Tableau, what kind of salaries we are expecting. So we'll talk about all of that and how to prepare, for our future. So first thing is I would like to tell that we all were expecting that the market will improve in 2024. Right now we are already in April and we haven't seen much of such thing till April at least. So maybe in 1 month, I think in around March or towards the end of Feb, we saw a little spike in the number of calls that we were getting. Again, after that, it was a little less demand, but still, some of them are able to get calls. Some of them are able to attend interviews, and some of them are also cracking the interviews. So this is the information I have regarding the calls and all that we are getting. So again, the information is being shared by the subscriber. I'm not building any stories on my own. So I'm just talking what I got to know from the subscribers who are attending interviews and my friends who are in the market. So first, let us talk about the skill set that is being requested or expected here, so that you guys are in line with the market expectation. So now back then, what used to happen was, like say there are skills that are used. Like say we know SQL will be used in any project, ETL will be used in any project, and Tableau will also be used in any project. Now back then, for this three different skill set, there were chances that at least we have two positions. One guy used to handle ETL application, one guy used to handle Tableau and SQL. Now what happened was, like say when I say SQL, it is the job of PO or admin. But now what is it is being expected by the user is, like say I'll also add one position for Tableau admin. Now how many skill sets do we have here? We have Tableau admin. So we have four skill sets that are being expected. And for this, how many resources were there? At least 2 to 3 resources for this position. But now, because of less opportunities, or because of the crunch that we are seeing in the market, or because of recession, you might call, this the strategy of hiring the candidates is little updating or little changing according to the market dynamics. Now you have to be in line with this if at all you want to crack a job or you want to get a good pay scale. So now client is expecting, or the recruiter or the interviewer, whoever you are expecting, you you are attending, they are expecting Tableau. Obviously, because this is our primary skills, you should be knowing Tableau. Along with this, SQL, again, one mandatory skill. If at all we are to use Tableau, we need to know SQL. These two will always be, hand in hand. So you cannot come up with a question that, Rahul, I have learned only Tableau. Will I be able to get job? I would, bluntly say no. Okay. The more number of skills you add, the better it will be according to current market situation. But, optimize your portfolio in a way that it is suiting the skill sets that you have. Not like, you will say, Rahul, I'll learn Tableau, I will also learn Python, I'll also learn Java, I will also learn .NET. No, focus on one skill that you want, and based on that you can you know create a niche for that. So SQL will never go waste. You study today, you study tomorrow, it will always help you in your IT career. At least I would say that. So spend more time in learning SQL. If you are going for big companies, product based companies, you want to go for top based companies, in that your first couple of rounds are on SQL only. So if you are able to crack SQL, you can get into anything. then will it will come, then they will focus on your actual skills, like say your Tableau or your Power BI, like that. Now a candidate must have Tableau and SQL. Along with this Tableau admin knowledge, or these three I'm adding to the stack, because we are considering or we are aspiring to be Tableau developers. Okay, so maybe it will add lot of points to your profile if you are also aware of a Tableau admin. Admin means, not about, I'm not talking about giving access, scheduling reports, and also that is the basic activity of a Tableau developer as well. Okay, we were happy with that, maybe last year or before last year we were happy with that. But now if you are aware of how to handle installation, upgradation, maintenance of your server, that core activities of a admin, if you are able to accept. So if you are able to handle these three skills simultaneously or parallelly, you will be in a very commanding situation. But wait, hold on. This will still not be able to get you, a better calls. We can always add ETL to this stack, because if you consider the life cycle of any data, we will require data processing, which means we will require ETL, you know then whatever the final product is there, from the ETL we will be using Tableau to create dashboards, and to create that dashboard we need a SQL. Again, once you create that dashboard, we need help from Tableau admin to publish and all. So these four are like one complete package for you, so you can always add that. So choose any ETL tool that you are currently using, or currently you have in the organization, or in your team, or in your project, whatever you are using. Learn that, if you have the opportunity. Okay, like say we have, when I say ETL, we have Informatica, we have Talent, like that, something like that. Okay, so you can learn a few, focus on at least one ETL tool, and then you can keep that. Okay, so that is ETL. And because we are trying to focus more on BI part or a reporting part, try to improve your skill or stack in Tableau. Like say we have a Tableau prep builder. Okay, so we have a little less developers who are aware of how we can use a Tableau prep, or a real-time use case like how you have used Tableau prep in your project. So try to build yourself around this as well, because again this is one of the important product of Tableau. Along with that, what I have observed is cloud development. Okay, earlier we used to, have a Tableau desktop application and then create dashboards and all. Now, with the, invention of, or with the adoption of this cloud, I am observing at least few of my friends that they are using cloud for their development, which means whatever the interface that we have at a server level, which is very similar to how we have a desktop, they are developing their reports at a server only and saving the information there. So I want you guys to have hands-on, you know hands-on experience in creating reports in server. I want you to know what are the challenges, or what will be the challenges or limitation we have when we create a dashboard in the server. This will definitely give you an edge, because maybe this kind of question might not be asked in many interviews, but it will really help you if at all you have a situation in real time. Okay, so that is one thing that I want you guys to focus. Try to build your Tableau public profile. This I have stressed a lot, but I am suggesting again, Tableau public profile you have to build. Okay, showcase your skills, so that they are aware what kind of dashboards you are using. So now see, as we are going up the ladder, in terms of number of years of experience. It is the expectation is that many things around, or many skills. Like say, I am a 1 year guy, then Tableau and SQL will be enough. I am a 3 year guy, maybe it is expected that I know ETL as well. I'm a 5 year guy, maybe it is expected Tableau admin, and maybe few other tools as well, like say Power BI and all. So it's not like for 5 years we will be working only on one tool, right? So we have to add multiple skill sets in our profile, so that client will think, or the interviewer or recruiter whoever is trying to hire you will think that, okay, once my Tableau project is over, where should I keep this guy? Gone are those days where they are hiring you only for a specific project. No, the trend is changing. They are looking for a what you call kind of batsman who can perform at opener level, or at the towards the end of the match also, something like that. So try to add more skills. Like say this is, if this become primary, then you are limiting yourself only to Tableau. Now I will get questions from many users, like say, Rahul, I'm not seeing calls for Tableau, should I shift to Power BI? Like I said, in real time, it's not like our Tableau project will be forever, or it's not like our Power BI project will be forever. Projects will come and will go. Okay, so your project might be for 3 to 6 months, or 6 to 9 months, or let us say if you are a very good kismat, then it would be for 1 year. What after that? Okay, assume company does not have Tableau projects currently, then what will be your position? They will ask you to look into different projects. Now assume there is a Power BI opportunity in the current company. So if you know the Power BI, or if you tell the the HR in the company that, okay, I am aware of Power BI and I can take up that task also and all, there are very high chances that they might absorb you into that project as well. Now this is adding you. I'm adding one more skill set here, Power BI. Okay, you are adding more skills. You are making yourself the same, like that. Okay, so if you are a business analyst who is, or you are a data analyst, and you want your career to be only in BI, then it is must that you know multiple BI tools. If you are a 10 years guy, assume, if you are 10 plus, then it is expected that you know Tableau, you know Power BI, and any other BI tools also will have added advantage. Along with this ETL, SQL, this will become mandatory. Okay, the number of tools you add, the better it will be for you. Okay, so try to add your skills according to how the market is, so that you can get calls, you can attend interviews. Okay, try to create your effective resume. If at all you want me to review your resume, you can definitely send it to me. By taking the subscription, I'll look at it and will get it corrected. Okay, that is one thing. So that's about the skills that is requested. Now let us see the job opportunities how we have. So let us first go and search how many we are getting in Naukri and Indeed. So I'm going to Naukri page here. Okay, and I'm trying to search Tableau here. So try to apply for all the openings that you are seeing based on the relevance date. So always focus on when this was focused. Now see, for CGA, this was last posted 1 day ago. Maybe you can try to apply this. Look, see what all they expecting: Tableau, SQL scripting, only two skills, primary skills they have given. So you can always read on their requirements before you apply, and write apply from here. Also send an email also, that you can do. And again we have this. Okay, LTM Mindtree, I think many of you attended LTM Mindtree. root shells. So these are some of the companies that are currently hiring, at least, okay, on Tableau. So you can apply this. Similarly, you can also go to Indeed and search if at all you have any opportunities here and apply for that as well. So these two things you will definitely do, irrespective of whether you have or not. Every day you come, log in here and do that. Now after this, you can also log into your LinkedIn profile and you can apply from that, because I am seeing many of opportunities being posted in the LinkedIn as well. If you are not following, definitely follow me on LinkedIn. I am sharing all the job opportunities that I am getting there. Maybe it will help you guys. The description of my LinkedIn is given in the description. You can definitely check and follow me so that it can help you in knowing the latest job opportunities that are there. Okay, so that is one thing. So currently, ways to apply is can log on to Naukri plus Indeed. These are traditional methods. Try to build your connections in LinkedIn. That is the only way you can get better opportunities than LinkedIn and Naukri. See, when you are reaching them on LinkedIn, you are a serious participant. Naukri and Indeed, we never know what is happening here. Okay, it can be a marketing stunt just to tell that we are hiring even in recession, or it can be a simple post like they will take the interview but they'll keep us on the hold, like that, right? So many of such instances we have faced in last year, where many subscribers or many of my friends say that, okay, array, I've completed 3 rounds, 4 rounds, but the end of the day they said the interview is in hold or result is in hold, like that. So end of the day they will tell that. Okay, so we don't want to waste our time behind running behind that. So just because we want to follow the process, you can apply, and then you can also reach out on LinkedIn and you can try to apply. So do follow me. It will help you in getting better opportunities. I'll keep sharing that. So that is one thing. So what are the salary expectations currently running and all? So I'll not talk about the experience, but I'll only talk about salary that we have seen in 2024 companies. Also, I'm not naming, just because again it will create unnecessary things for mine. So I have seen in 2024, I have seen candidates you know getting package starting from 14 lakhs to 21 lakhs. Okay, so this is the maximum I have heard so far, and this is the minimum that I have heard in 2024. So let us take an average of this and prepare or expect ourselves based on the experience that we have, the skill sets that we possess. Okay, so during this tough time, don't let yourself down. I know we were expecting better calls, better market, but I am assuming, or at least I am optimistic, that in the second half of this 2024 we might see this market being improved, and we might get better calls. But till then, try to learn, improve your skills, try to add multiple skills to yourself, so that you are in a race with others, or you are ahead of others who are also preparing or aspiring to be Tableau developers in future. So with that said, I'm ending my today's video. I hope it gave you an insight in the market. If it does, don't forget to share your comment or valuable feedback. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and have a good day.